In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule Notion tasks instantly. This method will help you plan, organize, and manage your tasks directly within Notion, giving you a clear overview of everything you need to get done without relying on multiple apps or complicated setups. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional calendar-based task tracker that makes scheduling fast, visual, and effortless. To get started, open Notion and create a brand new page. You can do this from anywhere in your workspace by clicking the plus icon or typing /page. Give the page a temporary name for now because we'll rename it later once the system is fully set up. This page will serve as the home for your task management system. Next, inside this page, click on Database, and from the options that appear, choose to create a database. Using a database instead of simple text allows Notion to treat each task as an individual item, which makes scheduling, tracking, and automation possible. Now, select Tasks Tracker. This template provides a ready-made structure with fields for task names, dates, and statuses already included. When prompted, click Continue to confirm, and then click Done once the database finishes loading. At this point, your basic task database is ready to use. To make it visual and much faster to schedule tasks, click on Add a new view at the top of the database. From the View options, choose Calendar. This calendar view is essential because it allows you to place tasks directly onto dates, making planning intuitive and immediate. Once the calendar loads, you'll see an empty calendar linked to your tasks database, ready for you to start adding tasks or reminders. Click on any date to create a new task. Type in the task name, such as a meeting, a deadline, or a personal reminder, and you'll instantly see it placed on that date. Make sure to name tasks clearly so you can glance at your calendar and know exactly what needs to be done. One of the best features of this setup is flexibility. You can drag and drop any task to a different date if plans change, without opening menus or manually editing dates. You can add tasks across multiple days or weeks, rename them, duplicate entries, and rearrange the calendar as often as needed. Once everything looks good, rename the page to something like Task Planner, Daily Tasks, or Weekly Schedule. This setup works instantly, requires no third-party tools, and makes managing tasks fast, reliable, and simple. And that's it. You've just learned how to schedule Notion tasks instantly using a calendar-based task tracker. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.